Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to SoulSync. Today, we're talking about something super fun and playful, how to make him nervous around you. This isn't about being extra flirty or overthinking. It's about cute, subtle habits that make him notice you, overthink, and fall for your charm without you even trying. From little smiles to quirky habits, every tiny gesture can create soft tension and fascination. Stick around because by the end, you'll know how to turn ordinary moments into magnetic, heart-fluttering energy. These tips are playful, fun, and completely addictive for him, without saying a word. 1. Smile that steals his attention. Your smile isn't just about showing teeth, it's about energy. A soft, teasing grin when he catches your gaze can make him freeze in the cutest way. Even a little sparkle in your eyes or a shy corner-of-the-mouth smile can leave him thinking about you for hours. He notices subtle changes in your expression that feel personal and magical. Even when you're just talking casually, that small smile draws him in. It makes him curious, a little nervous, and secretly happy. He starts anticipating it, noticing it everywhere, and overthinking why it affects him so much. Every soft smile becomes a playful invitation to his attention. Over time, your smile becomes one of his favorite things. It's soft, magnetic, and addictive. That small, effortless energy keeps him thinking about you in the sweetest way possible. 2. Play with your hair. Twisting, twirling, or brushing your hair casually around him can make him notice every little movement. Even small strands falling over your face or tucking it behind your ear feel magnetic. He may not say it, but he's overanalyzing it inside his head. Even when you're laughing or just chatting, this tiny gesture feels intimate and playful. It creates soft tension without trying, and he can't help but stare, even for a second too long. Your hair becomes a small, magical detail he can't stop noticing. Over time, this little habit makes him curious and nervous in the sweetest way. He associates it with your energy, charm, and playful personality. 3. Laugh like only he can hear. Your laugh is a secret weapon. A playful giggle, a sudden burst of laughter, or a soft chuckle makes him pause and smile in ways he can't explain. He notices the happiness it brings and starts overthinking why it affects him so much. Even small, silly laughs make ordinary moments feel special. He secretly loves how different your energy feels around him, and it creates a soft magnetic pull. Your laughter becomes his favorite sound without you even trying. Over time, he craves hearing you laugh. Every giggle or chuckle makes him feel warm, happy, and slightly nervous around you. 4. Be playfully shy. Looking away, twirling your hair, or softly smiling when he notices you creates instant curiosity. This shy, gentle energy isn't insecurity. It's soft, approachable, and totally magnetic. Even small gestures, like hiding behind your hands or peeking from your hair, make him want to lean in. He starts wondering what you're thinking, which makes him nervous in the cutest way. Over time, your playful shyness builds soft tension and emotional curiosity. He can't stop thinking about you and your adorable little habits. 5. Mix confidence with mystery. Confidence draws attention instantly. Walk and talk like you're fully comfortable in your skin, but leave little hints unsaid. A playful glance, a pause, or a teasing smile. He notices and overthinks what it all means. Even casual gestures, like focusing on something else before noticing him, keep him guessing. He's drawn to that soft, unpredictable energy. Over time, your confident but mysterious vibe becomes addictive. He feels a magnetic pull toward you every time, slightly nervous but totally intrigued. 6. Use your eyes. A playful glance, a soft eyebrow raise, or subtle eye contact can make him nervous instantly. Your eyes communicate curiosity, interest, or playfulness in ways words can't. Even casual looks during conversations spark tension. He overanalyzes every glance, wondering what it means and what you're feeling. Over time, your eyes create a soft, magnetic pull. He can't help but smile nervously and feel drawn to you without you saying a word. 7. Be goofy. Sometimes, acting slightly silly or playful at random times is irresistibly charming. Maybe you make a funny face, whisper a joke to yourself, or do something random. He notices and can't help but smile nervously. Even small, goofy gestures, like laughing at your own clumsiness or teasing him gently, create soft tension. He loves the unpredictability and fun energy you bring. Over time, your playful goofiness becomes something he craves. Every silly moment makes him nervous, excited, and secretly addicted to your energy. 8. Remember little things about him. Noticing small details, his favorite snack, a joke he made weeks ago, or a habit he forgot, makes him nervous in the sweetest way. He realizes you pay attention and genuinely care. Even casually bringing it up creates soft tension and curiosity. He starts overthinking how much attention you're giving him, which makes him nervous in a fun, flirty way. Over time, your attentiveness builds a quiet, magnetic pull. He associates your presence with warmth, charm, and that little buzz of excitement he can't get enough of. And that's how you make him nervous around you. Soft, playful, and totally irresistible. From little smiles and playful shyness to subtle laughs and teasing gestures, every habit creates magnetic tension that keeps him thinking about you. These are cute, effortless ways to make a guy notice you in the sweetest, most fun way possible. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. It helps us bring more playful, fun, and heartwarming content. Comment below which of these little habits you already do, or which one you're excited to try. Let's celebrate all the small, cute ways to make someone nervous in the most magical, playful way.